We've always used Discord as a way of reaching out to communities of people that have similar interests to us. It's a safe space where we are free to share our thoughts and ideas with each other, whether about television shows or gaming interests. There is no doubt that Discord is one of our favorite platforms. We're here today to talk about Discord bots. You've probably encountered a few of them while navigating through the platform, but you may not know precisely how to use them or what exactly they are used for. Discord bots allow you to do a variety of things, but if you're going to use them properly, you should know how to master them. This video will give you a quick rundown of what Discord bots genuinely are, how they help you perform a bunch of specific actions, their purposes and uses, and lastly, how to master using them. We will also give you some tips about these bots, and even some examples of bots that can help you with the best Discord bots for your servers. Doesn't that sound interesting? Stay tuned and watch until the end to find out more and keep up to date. Hi, how are you? We hope you're having a great day. This is the one and only Tech Factuala, reminding you to stay techie. On this channel, we bring you the most fantastic and informative news about the world of technology, as well as other electronic advancements and innovations that you should be updated on. We inform you of the world's jaw-dropping smartphones, appliances, gadgets, and other tech world subjects. In this video, we will show you around Discord, specifically their bots, what they are good for, why they are essential, and some tips on using them properly with ease. Before we get into that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. That way, you'll get updated on our future uploads. If you use Discord regularly, you've probably heard of Discord bots. You can use these AI-powered bots to do everything, from welcoming new members to paraphrasing influencer material. Discord has developed rapidly since its launch in 2015, and while it was designed primarily for gamers, digital marketers are discovering ways to use it to their advantage. Discord bots may be the way to go if you're seeking a new and exciting approach to communicating with your community. Of course, it is much better to utilize these bots with an idea of how they should be correctly used. There are bots for many specific purposes, and there are a lot of them. So, how should you use them? What do they do? Which one should you settle with for your server? Well, you may have a lot of questions, and we're here to answer them. So, let's begin. What are Discord bots? We know that you've heard of them, but you should know what they are by definition to set things up effectively. One of the most useful components of the communication platform is Discord bots. They're artificial intelligence bots that marketers and business managers may utilize to automate various server-side processes. It's never simple to build a community, but doing it on Discord is a terrific method to give individuals a sense of exclusivity. This method will work for you if you already have a following. In a safe and closed community atmosphere, you'll be able to share tips, create films, host lives, and teach people what you know. When users believe they are accessing something unique, they are more likely to share it with others and, as a result, pay more for the knowledge. So you see, Discord bots are AI, but they play a massive role in the community that you are building. How do Discord bots make things easier? You probably have an idea how they do it, but we'll explain it further. Discord bots make it easy to build a thriving community. They can welcome new members to the server, control member interactions, and ban users who do not follow the rules. You may utilize them to make your server more fun for your members by adding memes, games, music, and other exciting material. The key is to know which Discord bots to add. Some bots can improve your server's performance and community, encouraging players to stay and interact with you. The incorrect ones may send people away or create an unhealthy environment. So in the end, though they are all very helpful, things will still depend on you on how you can progress your community. Looking for the perfect bot for your Discord server. Before adding them, consider what kind of bots you want on your Discord server. Are you looking for a music bot, a moderating bot, or something else entirely? Various websites provide suggestions for Discord bots. Top.gg is the best website for finding Discord bots. Top.gg organizes bots into lists depending on their ranking, subject, newness, and platform certification. If you're new to bots and want to figure out the best bots for your server, we recommend looking through their listings for bots that interest you. Quick beginner Discord bot recommendations. Here are some brief suggestions for the top Discord bots. Me6 is a highly regarded moderation bot. Me6 bot commands can monitor your server's chat room for foul language, incorrect links, spam, and spoilers, and alert users for any rule infractions. After a specific number of offenses, you can use Me6 to silence, kick out, or ban users. Me6 can also search for and play music and level up members on your channel for their engagement, awarding them with prestigious roles. We recommend Idle RPG or Rock Puppy to add some fun Discord game bots to your server. Idle RPG is a sophisticated role-playing game bot that allows you to create a character, embark on quests, and level up alongside other server members. Connect 4, Truth or Dare, Tarot, and an 8-Ball are among the fundamental games added by Rock Puppy to the server. Both game bots facilitate interactions through text-based games, making them a fun way to get people more involved in your server. These are just some quick recommendations that would be fun to add to your servers. Adding Discord bots to your server. Find a bot on an internet bot list or the creator's website to add it to Discord. To be taken to Discord's browser application, click the Invite button after selecting the bot you've chosen. You can choose which server to add the bot to, but bear in mind that you can only add a bot to a server where you are an admin or moderator. The bot will appear on your server after authorization to access is given. It will be ready to use right away. Each bot has a set of in-server chat instructions that you may use to direct it to execute specific tasks. Once these commands have been added, some bots will display a tutorial in-server, while others can be looked up on the bot's website. To use a Discord bot command, type it into a text channel's text box and hit Enter. The bot will request any more Discord commands. Before continuing with our list, what do you think of Discord bots so far? Have you heard of our recommended bots before? Do you have any other Discord bots in mind? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Next up is, what if you don't want a bot anymore? How do you remove them? If you realize that the bot you're using isn't as manageable as you thought, or its actions just don't match your community's goals, it's very simple to remove. If you wish to remove a bot from your server, right-click on the bot's name in the member list and select Kick or Ban, depending on whether you want to remove the bot temporarily or permanently. It's that easy. How to make bots on Discord. You've already learned how to look for bots, add bots, and use bots. How about making bots? Learning how to develop bots on Discord is more difficult than learning how to add a bot, and it necessitates a basic understanding of computer programming. As a result, before creating a new bot, make sure to examine whether another application can accomplish the functions you require. Begin by creating a new application in the Discord developer portal. Then, on the left side of your application screen, click the Bot tab. To produce a token, a series of numbers and letters, give your bot a name and click the Generate Token button. To verify your bot for Discord, you must provide this token at the end of the coding. For the rest of the coding, you can start with an application like Node, which is designed for network applications, or Pylon, a brand new bot building application. After you've written your program in JavaScript, these applications will run it. If you search Discord bots on GitHub, you'll find thousands of code examples. It's exhausting work, but you will have a Discord bot in your hands if you've done it right. Building the best Discord server. Discord bots are a terrific way to organize, entertain, and engage with your server. Every user should learn how to add Discord bots to improve their server. Every community should have a Discord bot to help users be more comfortable in their space and manage actions even more interactively. To build the best Discord server, one must bring out the best in a Discord bot, and that's something you can surely do. And that's today's video. What do you think? We hope that learning more about Discord bots has sparked your interest. There are lots of other bots that you should try for your servers out there, so stay techie and look them up. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave a comment below. We always love hearing your thoughts and opinions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be updated of our future uploads. Again, this is the one and only Tech Factuala, and we'll see you soon in our next video. Thanks for watching.